Okay, moms, let's be honest. Instant coffee isn't cutting it anymore. And those giant grinders, no thanks. But this little thing is my coffee lifesaver. It's Instacuppa USB rechargeable coffee grinder. No wires, no noise, and I can literally grind beans while packing tiffin. Fine for espresso, coarse for cold brew. Just twist the external dial and boom, barista level grinds in seconds. The smell of fresh ground coffee, it's not just a drink. It's my pause button. And when I say fresh coffee hits different, moms, you know what I mean. Rechargeable, portable, mess-free. My mornings are better and yours can be too. Get your Instacuppa rechargeable grinder now.